Good morning again. Looks like we have a beautiful incoming tide all day. We have a high tide around noon. So with the incoming tide, we're going to fish for the drum while it's low. And then as the tide comes in, we're going to work our way down south and try to catch some redfish. Maybe even go for some trout. Stay tuned. Another beautiful day in Yankeetown.
Oh no, we gonna be YouTube famous. Oh,
Got my crew today.
wait, get my skinny side now.
You see those huge fish?
Oh, I see them.
You got a drum. Good job. That's a monster. Look at all these fish right here. They're so hard to see. Do you see the little tan spots? Those are the fish right there. You got one too?
Oh, okay, I'm gonna be cursing. Oh shit!
These
I'm
fish.
just letting you know now. His grandma has left the building.
All right, just stay away from that trolling motor. Oh, she just broke it. Oh, it fell off the hook.
Ooh, off the hook.
This fish is bigger than the kids.
There he is.
Holy
Oh my God! Holy snap! Oh!
So practice reeling down. Keep the rod as low to the water as you can. You don't want to lift it above your head. That's where you're.
Hey, Lonnie, hold the phone, hold the phone.
Unlock the thing, the clicker.
Nope, you're doing
This
good.
thing.
It's perfect.
Okay.
Just slowly lift up and slowly reel down. Just kind of gain.
Reel down, reel
It
down.
just kind of gain a little bit of line.
Let him loose.
No, just keep trying to get a couple inches at a time.
Oh.
Okay, he's so big that it's hard to get your line back.
Oh.
All right, he's right there.
Ooh, let me see.
He's huge. He's a 40 incher.
Coming back this way. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh!
So,
Shoot! Right here. Look, Jasmine, look. That mother effer is big. That is. I did that! I got a big one. Oh, snap!
that's a big ugly.
He a big ugly. Yeah, we don't want to kill him though.
Hopefully it's not a catfish. Oh, we got so many lines in the way. Oh, it's a big red.
I'm just blowing it.
That's perfect fish.
Is my line tangled in
Oh
hers?
yeah.
That's an eating fish, ain't it?
Yep.
Good.
Whose line is
I
tangled?
like it.
Yours is all over the place. You're wrapped up.
Oh, you
Well, my
tangled?
line was out before she threw hers out.
Hopefully it's not a cat.
That's what it is. It's something.
Snapper. Nice. Those are good eating.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, who's gonna catch the next one? Oh, she's got one. Jasmine's got one immediately. The sand trout hole. I already caught 30 of them. You got another one off the front? Yeah, use that as get 2 at a time on video. All right, now you gotta catch one. Gotta get on video. We need 3 at a time. Jasmine's catching them all.
Bring him in the boat. I'm getting, look, I got to hang it.
She's catching them on artificial.
You swing it in the boat part. I gotta get the fish
Yeah.
in the boat part.
Bring him in the boat. Bring him in the boat.
I got one immediately. I fell off. Oh, you guys both just hooked one. Hey, she's got another one. Oh, you got one.
Get him in the boat.
It's falling off.
Falling off.
Picture shrimp, it's falling off the hook. That might be why.
Bring him in the boat.
2 at a time.
Sorry. Bring him in the boat.
Yeah, man. We gotta have a fish.
Oh, I'm just fling him in the boat.
Leave him in the boat. Come on, Donnie. Put him down. Put his shrimp on there. Get him down in there. Yeah, fish fry today.
Oh,
Oh, you got to fling him in the boat, girl.
so it's the bringing them up too high. If you stop 2 feet shorter, you could turn and then fling them in the boat.
Come on, put him in the.
You always want to leave yourself enough room.
You want to fling him? Watch out, Jazzy on you. Jazzy, you got warned somebody.
Fling him in the boat. Fling him in the boat.
Everyone's getting smacked by trout now.
Oh, get off of there. I'm getting sick of him. I'm gonna stand up.
You got to fling him in the boat, Ma.
All right, we got another double up. Fling them in. Here he comes. The kids didn't get one. I was hoping for a triple.
Come on, y'all.
That is so funny.
You're poking each other's eyes out with the rods.
Oh, like this.
Oh, there it is. There's your
That's
triple.
about
Bring me
it.
out. Bring me
Swing them
out.
in the boat, not on the boat.
Everyone's getting smacked by them.
That's what I said.
We gotta get another one. There's 3.
Bring him in the boat.
We're gonna have 1,000 of them in there.
Swing him in the boat.
Look at mommy.
All right, sling them this way.
Bring her in the boat.
Another one. There he is.
That is funny.
Look how easy they come off. Like, go get another.
They is funny if they don't get the hook in them. I got another one coming in.
Porgy. Look at the sharks chasing
Oh,
it.
snap. A shark was chasing it.
That's a big one.
Made it in the
got a
boat.
porgy. Why we gonna keep it?
Oh, I like porgies.
Here's a little. The porgies are little. Yeah, I mean he's got a lot less meat than these
Where's the
trout.
shark at?
There's a little
Shark
black
was
tip.
just following it.
There's a little black tip.
You follow your fish.
Keep it moving.
Incoming. Incoming.
Got you on that one.
Jeez.
She wasn't even looking. It still hit you in the shoulder.
I'm trying to get my fake fish on.
That pile of them.
You got some incoming, then you gotta let it. Yeah,
You got one before I turn around.
he's a baby. That's funny. What you girls doing back there? Oh, y'all on break?
Maybe they need to come up into your hot
You
spot.
can't let them. That's right.
How long it takes? I'm gonna try to record you. Who's gonna catch the next one? Oh, uh oh. Easy peasy. How long do you want to do this for?
Another 5 minutes.
Ooh,
That's a
bring
big
'em.
one, Justin.
Shark.
That's a shark.
All right, stop reeling.
Girl, you the shark catcher today, Jack.
Let's-
You got your job. You got your fish today.
You always want to leave some line, so I grabbed the line.
Jack.
That's a bigger shark.
She's getting bigger and bigger. Bring her in my boat. Don't let it swim. It's all about it.
Now you're gonna have to get a picture where you guys hold 1 trout on every finger. Everyone can hold 10 trout.
Now, I'm a chicken.
You got a fish in your hand? Is that the biggest one? That's a sea trout.
Oh, that's a different one, Josh. Yay!
These gotta be 15.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, look at him.
No,
He's not.
10, 9.
Probably 12.
Get a big one real quick.
See, these guys get pretty big. He's almost 13.
So we can keep them?
2 more inches.
Oh,
That'd be 15.
15.
Where is it?
There's right there. Another sea trout.
Where's that? Oh, good. You done hit a pocket.
Or is that a big sand? That's a big sand. That's the biggest sand of the day, probably.
Ooh, let's go.
Take that.
2 at a time. Oh, jeez. I'm like trying to jump out of the way.
Ah, I got it.
Oh, I'd say the sand trout hole's on fire today.
But you seen how I brought it in without knocking anybody
Nice
in
and
the
peaceful.
head.
Cast. Yep.
Oh, shoot.
He's just sitting right there. You knocked him out.
Oh, he's...
he was dizzy.
Did you catch him?
He hit the boat. Alright, when you stop fishing, she got one. Stop reeling it that high. That's how my rod tips get broken. Let the line out.
Are you over me?
Yeah, Mo. Go down. Go down. Go down.
Oh, yep. Reeling your slack. She's got your line.
You got her.
The fish is just sitting there.
He didn't know he got her. Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
You're supposed to be watching it, and I wasn't.
Move, y'all. Move.
Missed them on video, but she got another nice redfish. Got one too?